Hello everyone, welcome to Videography. Today is the next class and today we will learn about how you can create the shipping profiles on Etsy. So let's move on to the screen. When you come here on the listing section, whenever you are listing, you can go to this to click on details to see this delivery options here, and on the delivery option you have to select a profile. So when I click select profile, you can make your own profile and save it like I have here for UK. You can make your own profile and you can use it. So for simply creating the new profile, click on create new. Now in the country of origin, like the country you are dispatching from, you have to select the country here. I'm going with United Kingdom. Now with origin post code, like the postcode, I will go with B111. I'm sorry, B111 TU, Birmingham. Okay. Now in the processing time, select your processing time. Alright, you can actually they have already given the description of all the items. Now I will select here processing time. This is the time that is before actual dispatching. Like the time before the dispatching, how much time do you need to process the order, to make the order, to or any other thing. So in the processing time I will select like 1 to 2 days. And now in the standard delivery, now for the standard delivery for UK, United Kingdom, select the delivery service. Now you have to select the delivery service from these services, like 1 to 3 days, 2 to 4 business days, 2 to 3 business days, all the other services here. Okay, so you have to select one. So I will go with collect plus economy 3. I will go with 2 to 4 business days. So now the next section is what you will charge. So either you can select the free delivery or you can charge a fixed price over the order. So if you go on click on fixed price, you have to give the price, like I will charge £5 for one item, and for any other additional item I will charge £3. So you can select in this way, but most of the time I use free delivery. Now everywhere else, like other than UK, everywhere, how much time you will take to deliver the order and what you will charge for the delivery. So like if I will say like 3 to 7 business days, and what you will charge, I will charge nothing, or I can charge a fixed price over anywhere else. Okay, everywhere else. Or if you don't want to if you don't want buyers to see your product, like outside the buyers outside UK, you can simply delete it here, and now only buyers from UK will see this listing. But if you want like 2 countries, like you want UK and USA and Canada to see your listing, and no one other than these countries can see your listing, you can simply go here, click on add another location, and the location you can actually select United States. I will select it, select the delivery service 3 to 11 business days, fixed price, one item and additional item. Now the listing, the buyers from UK, like if they are selecting their delivery address as the UK, this will go to them like free delivery in the form of, and if the buyers are from US, you will charge a fixed price over that order, and let's say I will charge 10, and for any other additional item I will charge 4. So now only buyers from UK and US can see my listing and order this product, not from any other country. So this is how you can make a shipping profile. Now if you want to add any other location, you can select it, or you can select like here and everywhere else. Okay, like for UK it's free delivery, for US it's £10 and additional item £4, and for everywhere else you will charge £50, and for any other additional item you will charge £30. So this is how you make a shipping profile. And now I will go in delivery upgrades, and if you want to add a delivery upgrade, let's see what is this. Destination is domestic or international, like domestic is in your own country. So this is actually if the buyer wants his order more like more quickly, like if you already set like 4 days and he wants his order to be received in 1 day, so you can actually charge them for giving them the quick and fast delivery service. So you will go and select upgrade, like delivery in 1 day. The delivery service is collect plus 1 business day, and now I will charge like 30 pounds for one item if you want a 1 day delivery. So this is another delivery upgrade. And now if you want to save it, like you want to say, use the shipping profile in future in the listings, and you don't have to make it like every time, so you simply click on here, save as delivery profile, and save it. So whenever you save it, and you will see here, if I will go and cancel it, you will see your delivery profiles here. So I have already here, I will click apply simply, and the delivery is applied. So this is how you make shipping profiles on Etsy. So that's all for. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.